Let's go.
Freedom.
Good morning, good morning. It's DJ Supra 89 back with another video. Today is November 29th, the day after Thanksgiving. A lot of Black Friday sales going on today. Then usually Monday cyber sales and stuff like that. But yeah, driving the truck today, needed some heat. Because today is cold. It's about 20, some of you guys can see that, 26 degrees outside. Looks like it's trying to snow a little bit, not that much. But yeah, other than that, if you haven't watched the last video, probably dropped before this. Heater core basically peed itself, so I gotta fix that. But for now, I bypassed it. I just gotta burp the system. It should be all good because that hose does sit higher than the radiator. But basically, I gotta lift it up, lift the front end up of the car, then let the coolant bleed itself. Then yeah, it should be all good. No heat for a little bit, but I'm not gonna take it out when it's extremely cold. But I just want to have it still rolling just in case I gotta pull it out the garage. I want all that coolant sitting and pooling and stuff. But yeah, other than that, just a brief update. I'm on my way to work. I think I didn't go to bed until like 3 o'clock in the morning. It was like 3:30. But yeah, on my way to work. Supposed to have been there probably like 10 minutes ago. But yeah, other than that, just a brief update. Another thing I want to touch bases on, consistency. Gotta be consistent, as with anything in life. Consistent in practice, basically the same thing. If you stay consistent with something, you're basically practicing doing it. So basically, stay consistent, what you want to do, you get better. Make some practice, and it makes it, it basically becomes like a daily thing for you to do when you consistently do something that you want to do and you like. So that's my final end to this video. I always say I'm in the video and I come back and add something to it, but yeah, stay consistent. Yeah, if you do anything you do in life, stay consistent. Now I'm definitely out. I'm done heading to work right now. Probably like a couple minutes away. All right, y'all. I'm done this time. I promise. All right, y'all.